मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद टू ऑल. सरस्वती शिशुकुंज वगवाला बोरसद English medium. Students, this is new video of standard 4th subject EVS, and the name of the chapter is chapter number 6, Anita and the Honey Bees. So students, standard 4th subject EVS, you are learning chapter number 6, Anita and the honey bees. Now students, in this chapter Anita and the honey bees, so far you have studied that how Anita goes to school in spite of having many difficulties. So Anita had many difficulties in her life, but she overcomes all the difficulties and she goes to school and then she goes to the college. Now students, let me give you one more information that our government has made one rule. What is that rule? It is called RTE Act of 2009. What is this RTE Act of 2009 consist? This act provides the right of free and compulsory education to each child aged 6 to 14 years. It means that every child up to 6 to 14 years has the right of free education, and all the children must take advantage of this RTE rule. So students, now you have learned that how Anita goes to school and college. Now let us move forward on this story. Now another point is that how Anita from her school she moves to college. Anita becomes a beekeeper. There were many lychee trees in her area. Means where Anita was living, in that area there were many lychee trees. Here also you can see one picture of lychee tree. You can see here many flowers, many fruits are there on these lychee trees. Honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers. All the honeybees, butterflies, all these insects, they are attracted to these lychee trees. Many people do beekeeping and collect honey. Many people they collect bees and do beekeeping business. Anita thought that she could also do this. So what she did? She joined a course run by the government. So what she did? She joined a course run by the government of India to learn about this beekeeping business. She was the only girl in this course. During her training, she found that honeybees lay their eggs between the months of October to December. Here also students, you can see one picture of this honey bee. Look it closely. So this was the best time to start bee keeping. So now Anita slowly she decided to become a bee keeper. So now our next point is how Anita becomes a bee keeper. Anita completed her beekeeping course, but she did not have money to keep her own bees and start work. It means that Anita had completed her course of beekeeping, but she had no money to start her own business. So what she did, she continued to teach, and with time she could collect 5,000. So what she did to become a beekeeper, she continued to teach younger children, and by teaching younger children she earned 5,000 rupees a month. With this money she bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. How many boxes she bought? She bought 2 boxes to keep the bees. Each box cost 2,000 rupees. So 2 boxes Anita had, so it cost total 4,000 rupees. With the remaining money she bought sugar. With remaining 1,000 rupees, what she did? She bought sugar to make the syrup. Because students, you know that honey is like a sugar syrup. It is very sweet. So Anita bought sugar syrup for bees and medicine. She also bought some medicines to clean the beehives. Now student, let me ask you some questions. First question, it is that have you seen any insects near flowers? So students, have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names. Which are the names of those insects that you have seen near flowers? So answer is yes, you have seen many insects near flowers. So which type of insects? Like honeybees, butterflies. Second question, draw and color their pictures in notebook. You have to draw two pictures of insects, and you have to color it. So how you will draw it? Here you can, I will show you. First you will do like this. Then what will you do? You will do like this, her mouth. Then what will you do? Here. Then same like this. Here eyes. Then here. You can also do like this. It is a picture of honey bees. Then how you will draw a picture of butterfly? So it is also very easy. You can do like this, and then You can also do like here, like this. Students, you can see here, you can do a design in this butterfly like this. Many designs you can do, and you can also fill different types of colors. Students, I am not good at drawing, but still I can show you this picture of here. This is honeybee and butterfly. So students, this is how you have to draw a picture of honeybee and butterfly in your sheet, and you have to color it also. Third question, why do you think they come to the flower? Why do you think that these honeybees, butterflies, they come to the flowers? So they come to the flowers to collect nectar. Why do they come to the flowers? To collect nectar. Another question, what do people in your area put on the place where the bees has stung? Means any bee has come to you and it stung to you. So in that part where on that body where it is swollen, so which thing you apply? So you will put chuna or lime. What you will apply? You can apply chuna or lime on that spot. Now students, let me tell you the rearing of honeybees to get honey is called apiculture. What it is called? It is called apiculture. So if the question will be asked, what is called apiculture? Your answer should be that the rearing of honey bees to get honey is called apiculture. And then the last question, what are the things honey is used for in your houses? So honey is used in our houses in medicines and to sweeten the things. So students, up to here we will keep that Anita, how Anita from school she becomes a beekeeper. Now students, before ending this video, I want to tell you that I want to show one video to you. In this video, some people are taking out honey from the bee hives. So students, you have to closely watch this video. So this is the end of our video. I hope you will like it. Thank you.